welcome back to my channel. Today we are making oven roasted Cajun corn on the cob. We have our oven heated up to 425 degrees. Y'all, let's get into our corn and all these little lovely seasonings that we'll be adding. So we're going to just strip our corn from the ears, get all those little corn strings out the way, and we're just going to rinse off our corn with some very hot water. And as y'all probably noticed, we have a little reboot for MK's Kitchen. Now back to MK the Queen. Had to give y'all a little almost season 2 of my channel. So we did a little new intro for y'all. I'm super excited for this journey. Also, I am on a 14-day challenge cleanse, so we're working with the fruits and the veggies. But yeah, I had to go ahead and throw this in there and give y'all this recipe before I give y'all my 14-day challenge of fruits and veggies. And so we just cut some strips of foil for our corn on the cob. We're going to just mix our seasonings and our oil together, and that's going to be the rub for our corn once we put it in the oven. So we're just adding a little pepper, a little salt, y'all know the drill, paprika, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, and we're gonna hit it with some lemon pepper, add a little Tajin, and this is basically like Mexican street corn, y'all, but not super Mexican taste, but you know, we're gonna try. We're gonna try to get the little flavor. So we're gonna add a little bit of some Creole to give it some spice. Keep on pouring. Didn't want to come out there for a minute. Let's add our parsley. All right, y'all. Let's give it a nice mix. Get on up in there. And it should look something like this. All right, y'all. So let's get to coating our corn with our little seasonings and sauce little recipe we got here. And we're just gonna do that on all sides. Go ahead and brush it up in them corn crevices. All right, and once you've brushed enough, let's go ahead and wrap her up. And we'll just continue that process for all our corn. Okay, y'all, we are finished wrapping all of our corn, and we're going to be placing this in our 425 degree oven for about 40 minutes. So while our corn is in the oven, we're going to be melting about half of a stick of butter. And we're going to get that nice and melted. And after your butter is melted, add about 3 tablespoons of your favorite mayo. I'm just using the olive oil flavor of Hellmann's. And we're gonna let that simmer and marinate together. Okay, y'all, we added a little bit more mixture of seasonings together with a little bit of oil. And we're just going to add that on with our sauce. You could also just add seasonings to this if you like. And just let that simmer for a few minutes. And once your corn is done, place that in your skillet. And if you want to, you can save some of that seasoning oil mixture from earlier and also add that onto your corn, just giving it a little bit more flavor. Like I said, go ahead and add you some parsley to give it some pretty color and decoration for our corn. We're going to be adding some Italian cheese. And just give it a toss and toss and toss and coat your corn. We're just going to place the top on our skillet and let it simmer for a few more minutes. And once it starts to get a little brown on your corn, it's pretty much done, y'all. And that's our little corn Cajun on the corn, oven roasted corn on the cob recipe. We're just gonna plate it and add a little bit more tahini. You can see we got our lime wedges in the corner. That's gonna hit that flavor and make it a little more extra good. And we're just gonna add a little bit more spiciness with our Creole seasoning. And of course, y'all know I have to whip out the parsley one more time because I love to decorate my plates and my foods with the parsley. And we're gonna add a little bit more cheese. And y'all, that is all for our recipe. Let's go ahead and get a nice little close-up. Ooh, they look good. Y'all, this recipe is super simple and easy. It's a super easy recipe. It's bomb. Y'all look how I tore up that corn. Y'all go try this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time on another episode. Bye.